So hey guys, welcome to my channel. It's me Harnoor and I have brought a new video which is tutorial of Google Classroom for students. So let's get started with our video. So guys, I hope you can see my screen. This is my phone screen and here I'm going to show you Google Classroom, how it works. So here I have added Google Classroom in this folder. And this is a website, Google Classroom. So I have added it from this Google Chrome by clicking on these three dots and here add to home screen. This I have added my home page. If you want to download this app, you can download. I will give the link in the description. Otherwise, you can simply open the website by typing Google Classroom or classroom.google.com. So after that, this type of surface will open. This type of page will open just like this. You can see this and you can refresh also if you want that your quiz is coming from the teacher, so you can do from that like that. And here is the first class. Here this is my first dance class, newspaper class. So if I will click on this, here you will see these three options on the top, which is stream, classwork and people. So in the stream, notifications will be shown like this. And here in the classwork section, all the topics will be there. If I want that I want to see my dance topic, so I will just click on this arrow of all topics and I will go to this dance section as my teacher has made it. So this is my dance section. And if you want to see the list of your classmates or your teacher, that how many classmates or your teachers are there, so you can go to people tab and you can see from here. So this is the Google Classroom, and if you want to open any classwork, you can open that. Like if of life skill I need to open chapter 16, so I will just click on that and simply this dialog box will open like this, Google Slides, and this is a video. If you want to open Google Slides, you can simply click on this and it will direct you to some emails. From that you can select your email and then it will be opened in your Google Drive. But if you are having Google Slides app, so it will be opened in Google Slides app. Rest it's your choice. Here, but I am not opening it due to some problem. And this is how Google Classroom works for students. So you can see this. Yeah, and one more thing, if you want to arrange this, like suppose I want my maths class to be in first and my newspaper class to be in second, so you can just click on this. Not like this, means you can drag it just like this. So I have dragged it and my second class has come to first and first have gone to second. So like this you can use your classroom app. So I hope you liked my video. So guys, I hope you liked my video. So please subscribe to my channel, like my video and share my channel. And thanks not for 1000 subscribers, for 900 subscribers. Yes, we have completed 900 subscribers. So please support me like this only and complete 1000 subscribers. Okay, then next target I will tell you after we complete 1000 subscribers. Till then, bye bye. Meet in the next video, and that next video will come on the next Saturday or Sunday. Okay, so please do watch my video, my complete video, and it will be really very helpful. Thank you. Bye guys.